This 2024 Alliance RV Delta 292RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Alliance RV is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, external shower, water heater, refrigerator, microwave, oven, slide-out, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, awning, TV. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.